Hey guys, what's up? On this video, we'll be unboxing this Seagate 1 TB Backup Plus Slim portable storage device. So this is a 1 TB external hard drive. Alright, so just got it last year, 2018. Haven't had a time to open it, but this is an upgrade from my previous working Seagate 250 GB portable hard drive. Right, I obtained this one 2011, and it's a workhorse portable device, but it's now 2019, and 250 GB is just a small amount of storage. So we got a bit of an upgrade, which is a 1 TB. So from 250, now we got a 1 TB drive. It's around $50 from online shop Lazada. You can also get this in Amazon and other websites. Alright, so it says we got a 3-year limited warranty. Okay, also comes with just a 2 months membership of Adobe Creative Cloud photography plan. Alright, so product is assembled in Thailand, and yeah, pretty much that's it. So let's open it. Alright, so this is the manual. Portable storage. We got the Creative Cloud plan. Alright, so must be redeemed by January 31st, 2020. So what you get is Lightroom, Photoshop. It's for 2 months. And we've got a drive here. Open it from the side. So it comes with this kind of cable, which is a dedicated one for that type of cable. Right? Okay. So slim. Okay, this is so slim compared with the 250 gig. See the difference? This is a standard USB. See how thickness. $250, 1 TB. Alright, so let's try to plug this thing in, and just insert it like this. Okay, and I think this is the light indicator when you plug it in. So let's go to the computer. Alright, so on this machine we'll be using Windows 7 Ultimate 64-bit operating system. Let's plug in the hard drive. Pretty much it's a plug and play. Alright, so it's in there automatically, and there you go. So it registers as 931 gigabytes free space. Alright, the other 69 is used for managing the device. Okay, so just open it and you'll see the warranty info, PDF. We've got the Backup Plus icon here. This is the hidden folders. Alright, for the registration of the device. But pretty much it's an empty device. No need to format. It's running in autoplay. So open up the properties. Alright, it's going to show you 931 available disk space. Okay, so here comes the manual. We got an English one, and it's just showing the limited warranty of the device. Alright, so it's gonna be it for this short review of this Seagate Barracuda Backup Plus Slim portable hard drive. Alright, thanks for watching, and for more videos, subscribe to our channel, and see you on the next one. Bye now.